how are you? And welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, the Privy Council has reached its verdict with the Vybz Kartel case. So Kartel probably are getting ready for Kartel are probably getting ready to walk. So because them send it back to the Jamaican court system, and I am sure that they don't want a retrial. So let's see how this one is gonna let's see the outcome. Let's see the outcome of this one, because I don't think people saying him not do it or them not guilty or what, but right now everybody are go after technicalities. I just technicalities. So boy, man, I tell you, it is what it is. Let's see. So yeah, everybody must happy Sean Storm and not just Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. So everybody was anticipating. Boy, I feel like the whole of, well, not the whole of Jamaica, obviously, because not everybody. Matter of fact, the whole of Jamaica, because people want to see how it come, whether they're with him or they're not with him, whether you're part of the Gaza camp or you're not part of the Gaza camp. We are going to see what is the next move for them. I'm just having some I have some guineas. And I'm cooking I cook curry goat and rice and peas. Yeah, while me get everybody else's reaction to this cartel case, because from when? I think from 2011 he was convicted. I think at 2011 he was convicted. Him and him co-accused for the takeaway, the dashway of lizard. So I am sure that the prosecution don't really want to retrial. The prosecution don't want them to just say no, just stand with what is presented, like what he got before. But obviously, because of certain technicalities, and because probably prosecution never follow the procedure what them for follow, so the prosecution really put in that little doubt there, that little space for doubt, because them not do things the right way. So we are gonna see how this cartel thing go, because if cartel ever walk out up, why the whole of Jamaica don't have party that day there. So may I watch this thing? To see how I'm watching this thing to see how it plays out. Like, more, I want to see the end result. Like, I want to see what's going on, because this case worldwide, and it have everybody it has everyone on tenterhooks. Yeah, because everybody want to know. I scratch so. Everybody want to know. So far, things, more than say things are going to fit him way, because me not think a retrial when everything done out of the pot, like, I don't know, but guys, let's see what's gonna go on now with the Jamaica side of things. So Privy Council say what them to say, and it would have been best for the appeals for Kartel them and them team if it was thrown a retrial, because retrial long and costly, and I don't think none of the sides want retrial. But we're gonna see if the world boss are go walk. So guys, let's keep up and see what's going on and see how this is gonna play out. But I'm gonna be catching up. I'm gonna catch up in the Jamaican media, like the Star and the Observer, and see what they're saying. So guys, let's see, and I will catch you later. See you later, guys.